Hi, I'm going to demonstrate on how to put the wick and the tab into my container. I'm using a Bob's Big Boy salad dressing bottle as my candle container today. So I'm going to take a handy dandy chopstick that I borrowed from the Chinese restaurant that Brian and I go to. And then I have a glue gun, and I'm going to take the bottom of the wick, right here, this wick tab, and I'm going to go ahead and squirt some hot glue on there, and it's really hot. I'm going to take my chopstick, I'm going to turn this over and dip it right into the bottle. Now, you want to get this into the center of the bottle at the very bottom. Make sure it's centered. You don't want your candle burning the wrong way. Then I'm going to take 2 sticks, craft sticks, and these actually are the kind that you can mix your coffee with. And I get a lot of my supplies from Michael's or Joann's Fabrics. And this is how you do it. You go ahead and you place these little stirring sticks right in the middle of the candle, or of the container. And I take a little clip, a binder clip, and I clip that on there. And now that's going to hold my wick into place. So when I pour my wax, it's going to go right into the bottle, but the wick is going to stay centered and straight, and it won't fall into the bottle. That's what you don't want to happen. A lot of times when beginners start making candles, they pour the wax in and they don't hold up the wick, and the wick falls into the wax and it creates a major mess. So that's how you do it. That's just a beginner 101 on how to put your wick in your container.